What is up, RC enthusiasts? David from Run That RC here. Another short one today. I got for you guys a tiny brushless motor and ESC. Now this is just something I purchased to complete my drift build here. I know it's been lagging, but can't find the wheels anywhere. I always find PVC but can't find ABS tires, so yeah, this is what's supposed to go in it. But I did make a mistake and the motor is kind of small, but I might still use it. So let's bring you guys closer and I'll show you what I got. Alright, here it is. Made by Leopard Hobby, so I was assuming everything was going to be Leopard Hobby, but in this one, it's only the motor. Check it out. So yeah, I ordered the wrong thing. Look how tiny that motor is. It's very tiny, but it might work because it's going to be a drifter and it's going to slide around everywhere and it won't need that much load, so it might work. But the thing I'm very excited about, let's check this out. This is the ESC that came with it. It's a 30 amp quick run, which means it's waterproof and it's reliable. So yeah, that's a good kit right there. This doesn't cost that much either. So this is what you're going to see running in this thing pretty soon once I'm able to get those ABS tires for it. I'm just having a problem sourcing them right now. But other than that, once I get those ABS tires, I'm going to have this brushless system in there. And I'm going to be mounting it on this new style WPL transmission with no reduction gear. So it's just going to be straight on here. As you can tell, this motor's too small. It doesn't even fit on the bolt holes. But I'll go ahead and mount it on there and try it. If it doesn't work, I have bigger brushless motors, but this ESC will still work for those. So yes, guys, another pretty cool thing right here I received. So if you do want a small brushless motor, they're going to be good for your mini Zs and stuff like that. I can recommend this, especially if it comes with this ESC right here. These things have done me well. Alright guys, that's it for today. Another short one. You guys go have fun and go run that RC.